Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful and very easy square. It has some kind of flowers on it. It's so simple, beginners can make it. We will only use double crochets and single crochet for here. And I'm gonna show you how to make them, of course. You can make crop tops, cardigans, bags, anything with this square blanket. Actually, I'm making a blanket with white. For this one, I use a category 3 yarn and 4mm hook. You can use any yarn, any size yarn and recommended hook. I think a little bit smaller size hook than the recommended one look better, but it's up to you, of course. It's 5.5 inch, 14.5 centimeters, and hope you like this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can find the link somewhere below here. It's totally free, and if you are ready, we can start now. Start with a slip knot and make 5 chains. Insert from this first chain, join with a slip stitch. Chain 3, that's my first double crochet. Then yarn over, insert into the ring, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Into the same place, make one more double crochet. Chain 3. We are going to repeat this 3 more times. I'm working around this tail. If you want to hide it more secure, I'm going to show you one more way. Yarn over the tail, insert into the ring, grab the yarn. You see 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 3, pull through 2. I'm gonna make it one more time. Pull through 3, pull through 2. Chain 3. Chain 3. Make 3 more double crochets. Now instead of joining with 3 chains, we will make a chain, yarn over, insert into this third chain, grab the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through. Now we can directly start from here. Chain 3 as a double crochet. Around this half double crochet, I'm gonna make one more double. Now you see we have 3 double crochets. We are gonna put 3 double crochets here. 3 double crochets in a row. 1, 2, 3. and into this space put 2 more. That's the corner. For the corner we are gonna make 2 doubles, 3 chains, 2 more doubles. We make 2, 3 chains, 2 more double crochet. Make 3 doubles in a row. Two doubles, 3 chains, 2 doubles. You can make 2 chains too, it's not too important. Complete this row with this way. In the corner I made 2 doubles. Now I'm gonna join with a half double crochet again. Chain 3 as a double, make 1 more, and we will start to make our shape, a kind of flower shape. So make 3 double crochets in a row. Chain 1, skip 1 and make 3 more. Put 2, we have 5 double crochets here. Skip 1 stitch, chain 1, skip 1 and 5 more double crochets. Make the corner. And that's our repeat for this row. Meet you at the end. In the end we will make 2 doubles, chain 1, join with a half double crochet, chain 3, make it double, and for this row we will make 3 more double crochets and have 5 double crochets in a row again. Chain 3, skip these 2 double crochets. Into this 1 chain space we are gonna make a single crochet. Chain 3, skip 1, 2, make 3 double crochets in a row. Then make 2 more. Chain 3, make 2 double crochets. And don't miss this one, okay? Make 1, 2, 3. Now that's our repeat. Make 2 and 3, totally 5 double crochets. Chain 3, a single crochet, chain 3, skip 2 and make 5 double crochets. Okay, make 1 chain and join with a half double crochet, chain 3, make 1 more double crochet. Now we are gonna make 5 double crochets in a row. And into this chain space we are gonna put 2 double crochets. and it's totally 9 right now. Chain 1, put 2 double crochets, then 5 double crochets, then 2 more, and complete the corner with 3 chains, 2 double crochets. For this row, you are gonna put 2, 5, 2, 9 double crochets totally, skip this single crochet, chain 1, make 9 more double crochets. I'll meet you at the end. Join. Oops. Yeah. Then chain 3, make a double, and for this row we will put 1 double crochet into each stitch and this chain space. You will have totally 23 double crochets in the end. Put 1 double crochet here, 23 with the corners, of course. And I'm gonna finish the square, sorry, here, but if you want you can make more rows with double crochets. I have 23 right now. Chain 3 and make 2 more double crochets. Repeat this row till the end. In the end, I'm gonna make 2 chains instead of 3. And join with a slip stitch. I could count this slip stitch as a chain. I'm gonna make 1 more chain. Cut the yarn. Now we are gonna hide it. And that's all. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Etsy, Ravelry, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.